Yo, what's up? Good morning, guys. How you doing? Top of the morning. Ooh, how you guys like this new t-shirt? Blake's mom, Paula, made it for me. Trigger spec. We got our logo. Ooh, so fire. Thank you, Paula. I appreciate you. Thank you, Blake. Thank you, everyone. So, guys, comment if you guys like these long sleeves. I know summer's coming up soon, so we'll have tank tops and stuff, but these are pretty nice. If you guys like them, we'll make them. They'll be affordable too. Not that expensive, probably like 15 bucks. So let me know in the comments. But what's up, guys? How y'all doing? How's everybody? Putting this camera up a little. So, yeah, it's time, crunch time. Get the 240 going. It's been sitting in the side yard for a while, but we slowly have been getting everything back on it. So today's project is going to involve getting all these control arms on, as you guys probably tell by the title and the thumbnail. But we got a full rear end suspension. You guys remember we did our knuckles, we redid our subframe. I was able to get the subframe in the car by myself. Super easy. The bushings came out great, looking good, both sides. So yeah, if you want to do it, do it. We've decided we're actually going to keep the fuel tank out. We're not going to be running the stock fuel tank anymore, guys. So we're going to be doing pretty much what we did to the Supra. Fuel cell in the trunk. This baby's going to get a fuel cell in the trunk as well. Trunk's big enough, and then we're going to fit two 440s or 450s right there. And yeah, that's it. Make it more serviceable too. When I was gonna keep it with the 5.3 normal V8, this setup would have been fine with the 255 Walbro fuel pump, but yeah, I ain't gonna cut it. This new setup is gonna be nuts. All right, so now let's get to today's video. Very simple, straightforward. We got our 3 arms with our lower control arm and our subframe. I don't remember exactly what goes where, so I have to do my research and find out. But yeah, it's relatively easy. Everything is easy. So yeah, we'll get it going and I'll let you guys know. I went ahead and put everything on, as you guys can see right here. So pretty much what you guys need to know is this arm, you're gonna want to have this facing down to try to install it. That way it fits. And then all the other arms, I measured the stock arms from bolt to bolt, and then I went ahead and did the same with these, and then same with that guy. And then this arm was pretty much set up too, and all new hardware. And then I forgot to put the hardware in for this, but this is your coilover. Well, yeah, everything looking good under here. Super solid. Super stoked how it came out. Same thing with that side, all done up. But anyways, this is it. So all my 240 people, try and do this install. It's super simple, straightforward. Came out so sick. I'm so excited to be using it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Next, after this, we're gonna go ahead and now throw the diffs in, the bearings and the axles, but that'll be a part of another video. And then we're also gonna do the front. So talk to you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Peace. Keep saving.